Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall a rear door check in this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, I want to take this window switch bezel out. I'm just going to use a pick right here. There's a little cover that's under here. Pull this cover up, set it aside. Take a Phillips head screwdriver. We want to take that screw out. Take that screw out. We're going to take a trim tool. Just try to pry underneath here. There's a little clip that holds it in back there, and then come to the front. Pry that up. There's a clip in the front as well. Pull that up. We want to disconnect the electrical connector right there. Just push down there and pull it off. I'm going to just take a pick. There's a little cover right here. We want to take that cover off. Get underneath here and just pull it forward. Just pry it out like that. I want to take this screw out. We're going to use a T30 socket extension and a ratchet. Loosen this up. Oops. Pull that screw out. I'm going to take these 3 Phillips head screws out. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that screw out. Now I want to pop the door panel off. There's these pins that go around the perimeter of the door. Just use a trim tool. Just get underneath the panel. Just pop these out. Just like that. Once they're all popped out, we can grab the door panel, just slide up. Now we want to disconnect this latch, this cable from the inner door latch. Just slide this part like that. Now slide this cable out, just slide it up. Now I'm going to remove these screws. They're held in with a 6mm. Just use a 6mm socket and a ratchet. Take these out. With those out, we can just slide the speaker forward, pull the speaker out, and then disconnect the electrical connector. We'll just push down on the lock tab, slide it off. All right, I'm going to use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. I'm going to take the 2 nuts off that are right here. Once those are out, make sure you support the door because the door is going to swing. And then I'll just use the 10mm socket and ratchet and remove this bolt right here. Pull that bolt out. And I can reach in the speaker hole and grab the door check. Slide it out. Now we're going to install the door check. You want to make sure that when we go to install it, we're going to install it with the flap like that. You don't want to flip it over that way. So slide this into the speaker hole right there, and then you can feel around for it to the door hole right here. Just like that. Get the studs lined up. I'm going to start the nuts first. Get those started. Once those are started, then I can take the bolt, get that started. All right, that bolt is started. I'll just tighten the nuts down first. Just like that. Then we'll tighten this bolt up, snug that down. Great, now we'll take this door speaker, line the connector up, lock it in place. Try to line the speaker up with the holes, and then take the screws. I'm going to get these all started first before I tighten them down. Then take a 6mm socket and a ratchet, and we'll snug these down. Just go around, just make sure they're good. Not too tight because the speaker is plastic. And then we'll take this cable. This is going to line up right here and then slide right on the latch. Get the lock rod to go through that hole there. And then we want the top part of the door panel to slide over here, just like that. And then make sure all the tabs are lined up. Once the tabs are lined up, just give it a tap. Just like that. Now I'm going to install these Phillips head screws right here. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. And then right here as well. I'll take this screw. It's a torque screw. Tighten it with a T30 extension and a ratchet. And just snug that up. Not too tight. It is in plastic. Take this cover, line this cover up like this, and just push it in. Now we'll take this switch, connect it right here to the wiring harness, line that up, and then push it down. Remember there's these tabs right here. They're gonna line up the little retainers that hold it in place. Lock it down in place. Take this Phillips head screw with a screwdriver, get this started, and then we'll snug it down. I'll take this little trim cover, put that right back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.